Hi there, I'm Sierra from Western Digital Support, and in this video, we're going to continue with troubleshooting the My Cloud OS 5 device offline message. In previous videos, we've tried basic troubleshooting, recreating the RAID volume, and checking our DNS servers. If none of that worked, let's move on to checking the device's proxy servers. Before we start, double-check that your computer is connected to the same network as your My Cloud device. Begin by clicking on the link provided below to open the My Cloud OS 5 proxy servers list. Make sure that the website loads. This means it is accessible by your network. If nothing loads, the test has failed. Next, we'll check to make sure you have access to port 8443. If you're on a Windows system, begin by clicking on your search bar and typing command prompt. Click on the application to launch it. If you're on macOS, begin by clicking on the spyglass icon and searching Terminal. Click on the Terminal application to open it. Regardless of what system you're on, type curl space portquiz.net:8443 into command prompt or terminal. This will check if the My Cloud device can communicate to the internet through the router by using port 8443. Press your enter key and you should see the results of your test. If the test comes back unsuccessful, the My Cloud device will not be able to connect to proxy servers. Now let's check your network configuration to ensure that you don't have a double NAT instance. This is a situation where you have two devices on your network that are doing the same job of assigning IP addresses. This is often seen when you connect a Wi-Fi router to a cable modem provided by your internet service provider. Let's begin by opening a web browser and going to whatismyip.com and making note of the router's external IP address. Now, log into your router's web interface and locate your WAN or internet IP address. Locate your listed IP addresses and make sure it matches with the one from whatismyip.com. If they don't match, chances are that your My Cloud OS 5 is in a double NAT environment. Let's go over some solutions for this. Begin by powering off the My Cloud OS 5 device. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from the router. Now connect it to the cable modem router that was provided by your internet service provider. Power on the My Cloud OS 5 device. Go to os5.mycloud.com and click Sign in to Cloud Account. Sign in using your credentials. Find the device and click on the Settings logo. Check the connection type to make sure that it's in port forward or relay mode. And that's it. This should usually resolve the double NAT issue. If your device is still showing up as offline, proceed to the next video in the series. We hope this video was helpful. For more how-tos and tips, visit us online at westerndigital.com/support. Thanks for watching.